Most gardeners have never heard of this pepper, and that's a mistake. Hey guys, horticulturist Gary Bachman, head grower at Heritage Cottage Urban Nano Farm and Heritage Cottage Seeds. I really love growing new varieties of pepper, to me at least. And one I wanted to show you this morning that we will have this available at Heritage Cottage Seeds. This one is called Maules Red. And here, there's a beauty right there. Get the camera going here a little bit better. Let's do it that way. Maules Red. This is an heirloom pepper that dates back to the early 1900s. You know, it's going to be maybe 8 to 12 inches long. I mean, there's some bigger ones in here, but they like look, take a look at that bad boy. No, take a look at that bad boy right there. One to be proud of. But Maules Red is kind of a medium spicy pepper, maybe up to 50,000 Scovilles, but definitely more in the jalapeno range. And it's going to be sweet and spicy, but I just love the shape of that. You know, I think a lot of, when we think of growing new peppers are those super hots, and those are the only kind of new peppers to grow. Well, no, here's one classic heirloom that we're growing here for Heritage Cottage Seeds. And like I say, we will have seeds for this available in 2027. So that's one of the things that I have been doing this year, and I do every year. I pick some new varieties and I try them and I see how they grow in our hot and humid conditions. And I'll tell you, most of the time, if I can grow it here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and from experience, of others' experience of growing our seeds all the way up into New England, that they perform just great. Probably even better because it's not just so darn hot and humid in some of the other places than it is here. So that's one of the reasons I grow this. I've got several this year that I thought would be great. Nope, they just turned out to be, not so great, and I'm not going to grow them anymore. That's why you keep trying all these different peppers and all these different tomatoes and all these other different vegetables and flowers too. So anyways, if and the dog's flying by me here on the Anole hunt. So if this has piqued your interest of wanting to grow a new pepper that you've never grown, one that's well over 100 years in the industry, go ahead, hit subscribe. Tell me that you appreciate this. Help me grow my subscriber base. And if I can help you with tips and tricks, that make you more successful, all the more reason to go ahead, hit that subscribe. So with that, I'm just going to say, hey, everything we do here at the Urban Nano Farm and Heritage Cottage Seeds is real world gardening. Let's grow better together, okay? We'll see you guys next time.